everyone. This is my hall closet, and I want you to see this mess. Obviously, that's where I store my wrapping supplies, but I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to clean my entire house in 2020. Yes, it may take me that long. We've lived here 8 years, and I've been very busy with real estate and with writing books and jewelry design, and I have just piled and shoved. So look at this closet, because it's not going to stay that way long. Do you see that shelf? That is a shelf I had 2 houses ago, and it came apart somewhere along the way. But I'm going to pull it out, I'm going to fix it up, and I'm going to let you watch. It's all done. Let me show you what I've got. First of all, I've got this huge wrapping paper container. I love this thing. I've had this over 20 years. The lid comes off, but the cool thing is you can lift it up, shove, and pull out whatever you want. And yes, I know it's still a mess, but that's okay because I can find what I need, and that's what's important. Then here is a bag where I can organize all of my gift bags. In the back there is a large pocket for the large ones. The little bitty ones are on the right. The medium ones are on the left. Now I haven't organized them by season or by gift type, but I can find now what I want. If I know I need a small one, I just pull out the small one. Little pocket on the front holds tags, and I found a roll of tape, so I shoved it in there too. Then over here to the side, I have a very sturdy gift bag. Yes, it's Christmas. It's got a Santa belt, but it's so sturdy, it's almost like a box with handles. It was the perfect solution to throw all my bows in, and they wouldn't be crushed. Here is a shoe bag I had at my other house. I needed it for shoes in that closet, but when we moved here, I didn't need it any longer. It's a perfect place to organize all those additional small things. I've got little plastic baggies that are now falling out all over the floor. But these are things like to put party favors in or clear baggies. I have one shelf entirely for white tissue paper. I use it the most. I know it's kind of empty, but I'll fill it up soon. Then I have all of my colored tissue paper. You have no idea how much tissue paper I actually threw away. These are leftover bags. I've got plenty of tissue paper for days to come. This shelf is for tiny little bags that I thought would get lost in the larger organized bag. Some of them are paper, and some of them are just really, really small. Perfect to fit in the organizer. This little shelf has boxes, little tiny fold boxes. This shelf has that curling ribbon. I just pull it out, curl it up, and put it on a bow. This is that shredded stuff. Got 3 or 4 colors shoved in there. Yes, I could put it in baggies. I'll probably do that later. then just more ribbon. Ah, and an empty one. How about that? On the shelf, I have boxes organized, and yes, that behemoth, it's going away. But I need Rick to help me move it from the shelf. On the very top, those plastic tubs, I had no idea what was in there. But that's goodies for my 40-year-old babies. Yes, I've reduced it to those 3 small tubs. I won't get sentimental over them today, though. I can still hang up a coat if somebody comes to see me. Before, I was too embarrassed to open the door.